Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle. It is great to have you guys here. If you're returning, hi guys, it's been a while. If you are new, hello. I am so glad that you're here, and today I'm going to be doing a monthly plan with me in my Erin Condren hourly life planner. So I have been a little MIA. If you've noticed or if you've watched any of my past videos, I have just been busy. Life has been taking me for a ride, and I have something in the corner here. Of course I do. I think it's just a sticker. Life has been busy, needless to say. So planning has been a lot of pen and paper right now. So I could really use some fun vibes in my planner. So I'm just going to take the time, set it up for April, because April is about to get even busier for us, which is fine, just have to be aware of it. So I'm going to be using this April kit from my shop, which is on novelplan.com. And I don't know how much I'm going to be using because there's just so much going on. I might not use the boxes. I'm not really quite sure yet. So I'm just going to jump right in. So if you are new here, I used to upload pretty regularly. I, was so excited for the year. I've been on YouTube about almost 2 years now, and it has been awesome. Since I started my YouTube channel, I did open up a sticker shop, which has been great. I am in a sale coming up here in April. It actually starts this week right here. I think it's like the 7th it starts. So if you're interested in any stickers, take a look. But since I opened my sticker shop, it is much more difficult to prioritize my time. It's something that I've really needed to work on, and I just have not done it yet. And so it's something that I'm working on. Hopefully I can get the hang of it. I'm better. My time has been busy with my kids. They're now in those ages where they're busy all the time. Like my oldest is 9 and my youngest is 6. And so, activities take up a lot of time, which means I have to make use of the time that I have a little bit better, which I'm struggling with. So I'm going to be setting up April. And if anybody else has kids that are in activities, your April probably looks a lot like mine, where it's just busy, to say the least. So let me flip this open a little bit. If I look back on some of my other months, I don't think I even set up February. I didn't set up February. I didn't set up March. I did set up January. So looking back on January, this is kind of how it looks when you use a full kit the way it's supposed to, with all the labels and everything. My April is probably going to be busier than this, so we'll see kind of how it goes. So I put the bars across the top. I'm going to use this guy, I think, up here, probably right at the edge. But I absolutely love spring and fall. Fall is my favorite, but spring is a pretty close second. So I'm very excited for this time of year. I'm ready for the snow to be gone. Just kind of ready. So the ones that I'm going to put down, I'm going to put Earth Day. I'll put Easter. And let's do April Fool's Day. So April Fool's Day is on the 1st, I think. It's actually not in the planner, so interesting. And then Easter is down here. Put that guy up in the corner. Of course, I didn't do it straight though. Whatever. And then Earth Day is over here. Okay, so I got those. What else do I want to use? Paydays. Do I want to put paydays down? No, I don't think I'm going to. Goals this month. I don't really know what I'm going to do with my sidebar yet, so I probably won't use that. And then onto the second sheet that comes in the kit. Trash is every Wednesday. Honestly, I think I'm going to wait to put the trash down just because I'm not really quite sure how much space I'm gonna have in this spread. So I think I'm gonna wait on the icons. So I have kind of a list here, very roughly drawn out of things that are going on, and it's busy. I'm gonna pull out some highlighters. So I'm gonna go the mile liner route just because I feel like I am going to need the space this month. So first and foremost, I have to use these strips right here. My husband, with his job, has a week every couple months that he is on call. So I am going to let's put it at the bottom. It starts the 18th. And then I'm going to use a ruler just to kind of make it straight. And then I'm going to use the other one and continue it. It goes all the way through the 24th. So let's put this guy here. So how has everybody been? Man, your life is crazy as mine right now because I feel like I can't be the only one. And my dog is probably going to bark or howl because there is a fire truck going by. So if you hear that in a second, I'm sorry. Sounds like she might not though. Let's see. Okay. Oh, she wanted to. There she is. I'm not quite sure if you guys can hear that, but it's too funny. I think she's done. Okay, so that is my husband's on-call shift. And then, oh, I said I wasn't going to use those, right? That's how scatterbrained I am right now. Okay, so looking at my trusty notebook over here, which, by the way, this is the A5 notebook from Erin Condren. It is smaller than my planner, like here and here, and I absolutely love this size. Okay, so starting here, we have the first. I am filming this, and this is actually the week before. So this right here is actually spring break, which I should probably mark. Here, maybe I'll do this. And I'll just use some of the leftover of the washi that I have. And I think I'm gonna do this. So that's the end of spring break right here, and then they go back to school this week. So Sundays, starting on Sundays, I'll do all the Sundays first. Sundays here, my youngest is actually in 2 soccer leagues this spring, so she's going to have games here on Sunday. I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do one color for my 6-year-old Natalie, her soccer. Maybe I'll do pink for her. So I think I'm going to use this. And on Sundays, she has a game. So I think all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this highlighter and I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to go like this. And then they skip a week because they don't have a game on Easter. And then we'll do down here. I don't even know if you guys can see this part. And I'm just going to do one line to kind of like separate it. So that is her soccer. On Monday nights, she then has soccer practice for the other team. And this team on Mondays is the team that my husband coaches. And so she's got practice every Monday night at 5:45 with that team. She's got a lot of soccer in the spring. And we're really going to try to narrow it down the best we can to see which sport she actually likes. If it's soccer, then we're going to narrow her down to 1 soccer league. I'm going to keep going with her soccer because then Tuesday night she has soccer practice for the other team. So she's got this. And Tuesdays. God, drawing it out, it really looks like a lot. Hopefully she's not burned out, but it'll be for a month and a half, and then we're not doing this again because this is just a lot. So she's got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then she has soccer again on Saturdays, which is her other game. So she's got games on Saturdays and Sundays, and then she's got, let's do it up just a little bit, and then she's got practice on Mondays and Tuesdays. So it's not, actually it is quite a lot now that I look at it, but it's only for a month and a half, Danielle. And it's the only thing she's doing. She's only doing soccer. So I can't be too, like, not mad, but she won't be too overwhelmed. It's just the only thing. Those are the only nights that she has something going on. So that's her soccer. And then my oldest has soccer. Let's do purple for her. She's got purple on Wednesdays, which is her soccer practice. Maybe let's do those up a little bit higher, just to differentiate a little bit. She's got practice there. She's got practice here. I'm gonna try to do it at the same level. It's not working so well. Down a little bit, there we go. And here in May is a lot of the same for us because soccer continues into May and then is done. Okay, soccer there, and then she's got games on Friday nights. So we'll put these up high again. So if you can tell, it's gonna be a fun spring, but we'll enjoy it. So how is everybody else's spring? Is anybody else's schedule looking like this? I'm really curious. If we're the only ones, we can't be the only ones, but the thing I've been struggling with is dinners on soccer nights. Like, how do you figure out? How do you figure it out? Like, what do you have for dinner? So, soccer. Now what else do we have? We have Girls on the Run. Okay, so my oldest has soccer here and here. She is also participating in Girls on the Run this year, which is something new to us. She's very excited about it. She had her first practice. What's today? Today is Thursday. She had her first practice on Tuesday, and she loved it. There are like 30 girls in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade that are doing it, and she had a great time. And then they have a race at the end of the season. It's a 5K, which I think she's going to kick butt at, but she's got Girls on the Run on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which, you know, is another thing to do, but she really wanted to do it, and she's 9, and she says that it won't be too much, so we're really just gonna have to keep an eye on her, make sure she's getting enough sleep, all that fun stuff. Okay, here, maybe bring it down right there. Thursday and Thursday, so this is all Girls on the Run. Done. And then let's do the green. Green is cheer. My oldest also has cheer. So we'll do that maybe down a little bit. Down here. And that is on Thursday nights. So Thursdays, she will have Girls on the Run until 5:15. And then she'll have a break for dinner. And then she'll have cheer at 7:30, which is only about 45 minutes, and it's pretty easy. Okay. That might be all of our activities. Looking at my thing, on-call, soccer. Oh, nope, that's not everything. Okay, orange. So, I don't know why I signed them up for this, but they also are going to have a running series. And when I say running series, it's literally like this running program that you can sign your kid up for. And it is every Sunday. And all they do at their race is they run. My youngest will run a 1/4 mile, and my oldest will run a half mile. And that's all they do. They just run a race and they get timed for it, and then they try to improve their times. It's pretty much just a way to get kids active. And I thought it sounded pretty cool, so I signed them up before I realized how many activities they were doing. So if anything gets kind of skipped or not done, it'll be these Sunday races. Okay, that's all of our activities. I'm gonna have to write in a little bit. And then here, the 15th, we are actually going to be doing a camping trip. I used all the colors, so I think I'll just reuse the orange because I didn't use it very much. But we will be camping here. And where we're camping is really close to home. I think I'm going to do 2 lines for this guy. But it's really close to home, so we can go back and forth for soccer. And then I'm going to use a pen, and I'm going to just draw an arrow to signify that we're camping all weekend. There we go. And then we come home over here. I might as well just continue this arrow right about there because we come home here. I'm sure there are other things that are going to pop up. Just as of right now, I don't have the dates. Like, there's a bunch of school stuff probably that's going to pop up. But before I write anything in, let me back you out a little bit just so you can see it fully. This is what it looks like. And when I get it filled out, it's going to be even busier. But that's okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill all this out, and I will be right back. All right, so I went ahead and filled everything out, and it looks just as busy as I thought it would be. And I'm sure there are things that are going to be thrown in here, like school activities. They have some things scheduled for April that I don't have in here. So as of right now, it looks like we have something going on every single day of the week. So it should be fun, busy. My girls are excited to try all these things, to do all these activities, so I can't be mad about it. It is just the season of life that we're in. Like, I love the mild liners. I will link everything that I use in the description below. I did decide that in the sidebar I was going to use a box. I think I'm going to use the green one, and I'm going to use this for like future dates. So I'm just going to write May dates, I think, and instead of writing it in a notebook, like I have this A5 notebook that I started writing things down in, I'll just write it in the sidebar over here, and then I can transfer these dates into May. So hopefully that'll help me stay a little bit organized. But this is what April looks like. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. I have said this a couple times in some of my videos, but I am planning on uploading at least twice a week. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to stick to it this time because I'm actually batch filming a bunch of videos right now. So be on the lookout for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, week, month, spring, whatever kind of phase you're in when you're watching this. Maybe even summer if you're watching this later on. But I hope you guys are having an awesome time, and I'll see you guys next week or in a couple days, I guess. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.